friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. The question is from official guide. Level is medium, range is 650. Concept is logical meaning, pronoun and idiom. While solving logical meaning, what should be shortcut? Shortcut is or will be understanding of idioms. There are few idioms that are not accepted in sentence correction, and among them one is so as to and different uses of so as to. Remember, whenever so as to is used, it should be so x as to y. After so, it should be adjective. After so, it should be adjective, and after as to, it should be verb. So x as to y, so plus adjectives as to plus verb. All right. Now let us understand passage. It says, the Emperor Augustus, it appears, commissions an idealized sculptured portrait, the features of which are so unrealistic as to constitute what one scholar calls an artificial face. So it want to say that so unrealistic as to constitute means we cannot believe, right? Now, so x as to y is fine. So option A is okay. Option B, so unrealistic they constituted. After so, if it is adjective, then we can add that. Without that, we cannot add subject and verb. So unrealistic that. Another problem that is called pronoun. Pronoun cannot be added without introduction of noun. So option B out. Option C, so unrealistic that they have constituted. Same error in option C as it was in B, they. Pronoun they cannot be used. Why? Because there is no plural noun in the passage. So pronoun cannot be introduced without noun. Option C out. Option D, unrealistic enough so that they constitute. Same problem, they cannot be used. As I said, so as to is not accepted in sentence correction. So option E out, A becomes best option.